everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 22nd to the 26th of March 2021 on Monday. Celiwe gives Nokzola the muti to stop her bleeding and she feels she's gone too far and says she can't help her anymore for fear of the ancestors' anger on Tuesday. Fikile's event at the Harbour goes very well, but she walks away feeling unappreciated on Wednesday. Zithulele and Zagiti go to get answers from Maharaj. He tells them that he believes Nokzola gave the Middle East deal information to Maluchu on Thursday. Kamadonsela lies about where she's been. Phakade learns the truth from Kuleko. She was with the prosecutor agreeing to plead guilty on Friday. Lindiwe and Nomsa clash over their joint venture before Lee announces she's got an exciting job interview. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, you know what to do. Bye.